Hi everyone! If you're interested in seeing how I got these gorgeous passion twists in a little under 2 hours, then stay tuned. So starting off with my rat tail comb on a old silk press, I'm just going to part my hair in half from ear to ear. Now, I did go back and clean up that part. As you can see, it is so crooked, but I did go back and clean it up. Now I'm just going to mist my hair with some moisturizer, which is just water, argan oil, and leave-in conditioner. And as you can see, my hair reverted back, and I'm just going to braid that back section. Now, if you suck at braiding like I do, or if you can't braid, I am going to show you guys an alternative method. So make sure you stay tuned into the video to watch that. But basically, you just braid all the way down, and once you get to the end of that braid, you connect it with the next one, and so on and so forth with that entire back section of hair. Once you get to the front, that's where you're going to create your boxes. And basically, you're going to need a edge control, and mine, of course, is the Eben Extra Firm Hold. And I absolutely love this edge control. For me, it gives a awesome hold and it doesn't flake. So you're just going to apply that edge control throughout the entire base of the box that you're going to create. And this is what's going to give you that nice, sleek finish. And this is the alternative method that I was referring to whenever I said if you guys can't braid that back, you can just put these boxes around your entire head and apply that rubber band that I'm showing you guys now. And you could just do this front method to your entire head. It will take longer, of course, but hey, I mean, if you can't braid, you can't braid. So you could just do this method throughout your entire head. So once you get your rubber band on there pretty snug, you then want to continue to make your boxes throughout the entire front half of your head. So this is the first half that I completed, and it should look a tad bit like this. And this is once I completed the entire front section of my head. Now your boxes do not have to be this big. I did do them kind of, bigger to save time, but you can do them smaller if you want to. Completely up to you. Here I am just twisting just to keep my hair from shrinking back up and keep it stretched. This is the hair that I will be using. It is pre-looped and it is by Lulutress, and it is in the color 1B27. It is a gorgeous ombre color and it is in 18 inches. You do get about 11 or 12, I can't remember, but I think you get about 12 twists per pack. And as you can see, the quality of these twists are so pretty. First, you're going to take your crochet needle and go under your corn roll and make sure your needle is open. You then want to take that looped end of the twisted hair and put it inside, close the crochet needle and pull it through. Once you do that, you want to go inside of that loop and pull the twist through and tighten it. And that is pretty much all you'll be doing to the back. You'll just repeat this process on all of your braids. And I did end up having about 6 or 7 twists per braid. It's all according on how full you want it. Here, I'm just repeating the process that I just did. Go under the cornrow, put the loop inside of the needle, close it up, pull it through, open up that looped end of the twist, pull the twist through, and tighten it. It's so simple, y'all. Now for the front section, this method is going to be a tad bit different, but it's still super easy. So again, you're going to take that crochet needle. You want to go at a diagonal under the box, and you want to make sure the crochet needle is open. Take the pre-loop twist and put it inside of the hook and close it. Then you want to pull it through. I did that one really tight. That's why I had to like shake it through. But anyway, you go through, blah, blah, I can't talk. You take your finger through the loop, pull the twist through, and tighten it enough to where you are comfortable, not to where, you know, it's too tight. Next, you want to take the twist and unravel it. Once you are done unraveling it, you then want to take that same edge control that you used around the base of your boxes, which was the even edge control for me, and you're going to apply that edge control to the entire length of your natural hair. Once you do that, you then want to divide your natural hair in two, and then you match it up with the twisted hair, and you just twist it on down, and on the very end you want to apply some Eco Styler gel and quill it, and that's it. Here I'm just repeating what I just did. You go at a diagonal, put the loop in on the crochet needle, close it, pull it through, pull the twist through the looped end, and sorry y'all, my hand was blocking that part, but you just basically, you know, pull the twist through that looped end, tighten it as, you know, comfortable as you can handle it, unravel it, apply your edge control throughout the entire length of your natural hair, make sure it's nice and smooth. You divide it in half, and you get the two halves of the synthetic hair that you just unraveled, and you just twist on down. It's so simple, y'all. It's so easy. Like, a lot of people swear I know how to do hair, but I'm like, girl, I don't know how to do no hair. Like, it's the methods that I do. Like, I'm lazy and I like simple methods, and I feel like if I can do these methods, anybody can do these methods. So once you twist all the way down, you then go in with the Eco Styler gel. That's what I'm doing right here. Just applying a tad bit to the end and continue to twist all the way down. And once you get to the very end, you just want to coil it. And that's what's going to keep it from unraveling. And that is pretty much it, y'all. Like, it took me no time to do this style. It was super easy. Anybody can do it. So as you guys can see, I am very satisfied with the way it came out. So yeah. Hi everyone. So this is the finished look, and I must say I am completely in love with the way they turned out. I did decide to go back in and add a few hair jewels here and there that I purchased from my beauty supply store. Again, this is the Lulu Tress brand in 1B27 in 18 inches. It is very, very lightweight. I only ended up using about 5.5 packs out of the 7 that I bought. The price of the The price per pack was $5.99, and it only took me about 2 hours for installation, which is very, very good when it comes to installing. When it comes to installing a style like this. So yes, I am so in love with this color. Like, they had so many different colors, so many different ombre colors. So I will, suggest that Lulutress brand. Of course, everything will be down below in the description box as far as this hair and the products that I use, like always. So yes, I'm just very happy with this style. So yes, like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys, bye.